best mid-range 5G chipsets. With 5G in your hand, you will be future ready with this smartphone. Thanks to the 16.5cm Full HD Plus display and the high refresh rate of this mobile phone, you can enjoy smooth visuals while streaming content, gaming and more. Its smart display also switches between refresh rates based on on-screen content so that the battery power is safe and you can enjoy an optimal viewing experience. This mobile phone comes with a 48-megapixel triple camera setup that includes depth and macro sensors. You can also use other features such as time burst, night mode, slow motion and more so that you can better your photography skills. Also, the POCO M3 Pro comes with a switchblade design and it also boasts an elegant 3D curved back and a glossy finish, making it an aesthetically pleasing device. You can use the side-mounted fingerprint sensor for convenient usage. So, summing it up, POCO M3 Pro 5G is one of the most affordable 5G phones out there in the market right now, and it's also one of the best all-round packages at the price point. Its design lets you stand out from the crowd, and its 5G enables you to stay ahead of the future. What's more, here is a tip for your next smartphone purchase on Flipkart. Make sure that you check out Flipkart offerings like product exchange and no-cost EMI to make your purchase more affordable. Also check out complete mobile protection to secure your phone from any physical or software damages.